Hi there, and welcome to the PLR Profits Blueprint Tutorial Series. In this video, we're going to cover a content type that we haven't yet covered: video. We've talked about content you can get the PLR to that is text-based, but not the video content. Now, if you haven't watched the first 3 videos in this series, make sure you do that. There's a lot of stuff I covered that you need to know. In this video, we're just going to specifically be talking about video content you can get PLR to though, okay? So there is so much great video content out there that you can get the PLR to. Things like full-blown products that are video-based, promotional videos, videos that you can use as content on your website or YouTube, and the list goes on and on. Video is in high demand. People love watching videos over reading something, generally. I'm not one of those people, but all the statistics show that many people prefer to watch rather than read. And just like everything regarding PLR, the first thing you need to do is identify the needs of your business. What are you wanting to use the videos for? Do you want to create a product and sell it? Do you want to create a lead magnet to build your list? Do you want to create a membership site where all the content is video training? Do you need to create content for your website? Those are all things you need to ask yourself. What do I need in my business? Now, once you decide on what your need is, then you'll follow what I've shown you in previous videos and go find that content. For example, if I want to create a product on, let's say, list building, I'd head over to buyqualityplr.com and search for list building videos. Let me show you. So we're just going to type in here, list building videos. I'm going to go through here. List Building Made Easy 2019 Training Ebook and Videos with Personal Use Rights. So we're looking for PLR. Building Relationships with Your List PLR Ebook and Videos. So I'd take a look at that. This is Master Resell Rights. Master Resell Rights. Free List Building Tools Unrestricted PLR Videos. List Building Kickstart Workshop Coaching Workshop Resell Rights Videos. List Building How-To Videos with Master Resell Rights. List Building Made Easy Videos. That's personal use only. 5 Premium List Building PLR Article Packs. 3 to Thrive List Traffic Offers Premium Newsletter. So as you see, there's tons of content over here. And I would go through here and look and go, okay, is this meeting my need? What does it cover? Okay. Then, what are my rights? Just like with text content, but I'm specifically looking for videos, okay? So then again, just go through here, see what it is. If it's what you need, add it to your cart and grab it. Now, once you have your videos, then you need to decide. Let's go through our step-by-step list I have going here. So videos greater than text. What are the needs in your business? Make sure you're checking those rights. Then you need to decide what editing you will do with the content you have. Now, using the example again of creating a product from video content you get the PLR to. If I was doing a list building product, okay, I'd take the videos, go through them all, make notes of any edits I want to make to them, and then do the thing, create the thing, okay? Now, let me tell you, editing videos is not the easiest thing in the world to do. So I don't edit them much. I might add an intro and an exit video to each video to apply like my branding, like showing my logo at the start of the video and at the end of the video. You need to decide what you want to do. You can take a video you have PLR to, and you can transcribe it and redo the video in your own voice or find a voiceover artist to do it for you. That's a lot of work and expense, though generally I just use the videos as they are. I've had a lot of people in the past say things like, but I'm a woman and it's a man's voice, or vice versa. Or they will say, well, people will know that's not me on the video. That's okay. It's totally okay. In the almost 17 years I've been doing this, I have never had a customer or prospect complain that the content they viewed or bought wasn't actually me. They are viewing the content for the content. So don't let this hang you up. So like if somebody bought a list building product from me and it was in a man's voice, they're not going to come to me and say, well, you didn't, this isn't your content. No, they're going to go through it, learn what they need to do, and move on. Okay? Like I said, don't let this hang you up. The main thing though is you need to establish what your needs are and then find the content to meet those needs and decide if you want to edit the content or not. Now, there are many tools out there that will allow you to edit videos. I personally use Camtasia because it was the first tool I started using, and I've never had any need to learn anything else. It's a big tip right there, guys. If you're using a tool and it works for you, there's no reason to tool hop, okay? If you find a video editor, it works great for you, use it until it doesn't meet your needs anymore, okay? Now Camtasia is one of the more expensive video editors out there, but it works so well, and there are a ton of free tutorials online that will allow you to learn to use it. Just go to YouTube, search Camtasia videos. You'll learn everything you need to know about Camtasia. Now, to get your creative juices flowing, let me give you a few examples of what I've done with video content that I've gotten private label rights to, okay? So, number one, of course, you can create paid products. Many times I'll take a couple of different PLR packages that contain video that are all on a related topic and make a big product out of it. I've even created entire coaching programs doing this. Two, I have created membership sites and use video content as the content for each of the lessons in the membership site. For example, I had a list building training membership site where each month members got a new lesson on list building, and those lessons were all made with PLR content, all video content. What topics are there in your niche? List out all the topics, find video content for all those topics, and then you can create a membership site that pays you monthly. We've talked a little bit about list building, but since it's a marketing and not a how to use PLR content topic, I haven't gone in depth. But one of the best ways to build your list is to have multiple free offers out there. So for example, my main niche is the internet marketing niche. There are many topics within that niche. So I am building lists on many of those different topics. I have taken video content I've gotten the PLR to on, let's say, affiliate marketing and created affiliate marketing lead magnets. I've taken video content with PLR on content marketing and created lead magnets with that content about content marketing and about 3,000 other topics, okay? I have many different lead magnets out there. The more squeeze pages or lead capture pages, whatever you want to call them, where you have lead magnets, the more chances you have to grab someone's interest and get them on your list. It's like fishing. If you use different lures and multiple fishing poles, you'll have more chances of catching more and different fish. Make sense? It's like little salesmen out there for you. If you have a ton of squeeze pages out there giving away different lead magnets, you're gonna get more people. And since videos are so in demand, people see more value in a video freebie than something other than just like an ebook, okay? So there's more perceived value there also. Now this next idea you need to use with caution. And you need to do thorough research of your rights with the video content. But you can also use video content you get the PLR to as content for your website or social media channels. So let's say you're in the weight loss niche and you have video content that you just want to put on your blog. Read the rights for that content, and if you can use it as website content, then put it on your blog. I have taken videos, found like a good tip or a portion of the video, cut it out, and used it for content on my website many times. I've also uploaded the videos to my YouTube channel and used them for content on Facebook and Instagram. Anywhere you can, put content that's going to drive people to the things that make you money, do it. And taking videos that you get the PLR to and chopping them up into little pieces and using that as content is a great way to get people's attention and getting them to other things in your business, okay? So if you have a need for website and or social media content for video content related to your niche, check the license file. It's very important that you do that. And then go through those videos and start chopping out content that you can use, okay? All right, so just a quick little recap here. Sometimes you're going to want to use video content because people often prefer video over text, and it does have a higher perceived value, so it's good to use to create free and paid products, especially those freebies. Decide what your needs are and find the video content to meet those needs. The third thing here is make sure you read the rights for the video content that you are getting PLR to, and you can use it in the way you want. That's super duper important, okay? Then make sure you thoroughly go through that content and decide what editing you want to do to it. And then lastly, create your thing. Be it a free or a paid product, content for your membership site, or your website, or your social media channels, whatever it is, create the thing, okay? All right, so that's it for this video. I wanted to throw an extra one in here and address video content all on its own, because what you do with it when it comes to using it to meet the needs in your business is pretty different than text content. But don't let that scare you away. It might take a little more work, but it's well worth it. I wish you much success on your PLR journey.